Hello everyone, how to convert portrait video to landscape in Movie Maker. So follow me in this video to know how to do this. Open. This is a portrait video. As you see, we need to convert it to landscape. So we'll select the slide and then home and then rotate to right like this. The other one, home, rotate to right. The next one, home, until we finish all the videos. Okay, and this is the last one. Select, rotate to right, and then we will save this one. We finished it now, so we will save it as recommended a video, and we will select name, soft elevator, landscape, okay, and save. Now it will be saved in the landscape. We can check it now. So it's saved. We can open it in the download videos, and we operate it. Open. So please subscribe to the channel to reach every new video upload, and to encourage us to continue so we can reach to the search engines like Google, YouTube, Yahoo and Bing. Thanks for watching.